welcome back to the Wright's cooking channel. Today we're gonna cook chicken, shrimp, stir fry. Let's get started. Okay guys, this is the chicken. It's already cut up and prepped, washed, clean up and everything. I'm just gonna season it up and get ready. This is our garlic powder. This is our salt-free seasoning. And this is our ground ginger.
And we're gonna put some black pepper in it.
Some black pepper.
We're gonna add a little salt to it.
We're going to stir it up and make the season set in it for a few minutes. Now we're going to put our chicken in the pan.
And we're just gonna cook the chicken until it's not pink anymore. Okay, here's our chicken. It's still brown in it. It's still cooking.
Guys, know that our meat is ready. We're just going to dish it in this bowl. Guys, now we're going to put down our vegetable. This is our cut carrot. We're just going to give it like 5 minutes. Now we're going to put down our onion. We're going to put down our sweet pepper. And we're just going to give it a few more minutes so it can cook. Okay guys, now we're going to add our broccoli.
And this is frozen broccoli, by the way.
We're going to stir it over, guys. Okay guys, now we're going to add our chicken.
And we're going to just let this steam for a minute. And get all cooked down.
Okay guys, now I'm going to add a little more seasoning to it. And this is our garlic powder. This is our salt-free seasoning. Just a little more to it. And this is our ginger, ground ginger.
This is cilantro. Cilantro leaves. That's just to make it pretty. And this is what I use.
And I'm gonna add a little more black pepper to it.
Okay. This is about 2 teaspoons of soy sauce.
And I'm gonna add it to it as well, guys. And now I'm gonna stir it. I'm gonna let this cook for another 5 minutes and then it's ready.
Okay, we're gonna add our shrimp in that we cooked. I had to cook my shrimp off camera because it was frozen and I had to unthaw it.
Okay, it's now ready. And I'm gonna dish you a plate. Okay guys, our meal is ready.
Okay guys, this is our meal plated up. Chicken and shrimp stir fry. Chicken and shrimp stir fry. Thank you guys for watching Wright's Cooking Channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell us how we're doing. And we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.